Today's video is all about image ads. I'm going to show you my favorite image ads concepts, which have allowed me to scale some of these image ads concepts to over $100,000 on Facebook ads. So yeah, we have actual images spending over $100,000. So I would say let's get right into the video. Right now on the screen you can see a couple of different image ads. Let me walk you through each one of these and what I think the funnel stage is, where they're good at, and how you can leverage image ads to really scale up your ad account, because they are super important to scaling an ad account. So first things first, let's start with one of my favorite types of image ads, and that's basically the 3 reasons why you need this type of image ads. So that's the one right here from Beards and Dailies, and then the one here from Jambies. What I really like about those image ads, especially what the one from Beards and Daisies, it's been running since the 8th of March, so that's like 4 months now. I think the Jambi one ran also for only 5 days, but I know that Jambies has these image ads concepts running to the stages with different text. But what I really like about these image ads, especially this one, it's simple. It's simplicity. It doesn't scream ad. This one in particular looks like a potential customer could shoot this type of image, and then they just added 3 basic benefits. Obviously the potential consumer doesn't know you're adding those benefits. They just think it's stylish planned, I guess. Long lasting. Maybe get them to basically click in the end, right? It's still clear that this is an ad with a shop now button, but it is subtle, I think, in a way. Same goes for this one, which I think is definitely not more subtle, but I think it has a good aesthetic appeal to it. Whereas, the background looks nice, the clouds look nice, and then you have a benefit statement, the basketball short built for watching basketball. Which I think is not a very strong benefit statement. The basketball short built for watching basketball. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. I guess, chill outfit. I think you could convey this in a better way. But what they are trying to do is obviously call it a very specific persona. So the guy who watched a lot of basketball, right? Built-in premium liner for all day and all night comfort. So that's what they are selling. I think this would make a better benefit statement. But yeah, they're obviously testing a ton of stuff. Then, they have the benefits, super sweet, super good looking icons, breathable, soft stretch mesh, deep stretchy pockets, super soft liner, those are the benefits which people obviously want. And yeah, I think this is a fantastic ad. Obviously they have some of the reviews still in the ad copy, which is also great. So those are more prospecting type of ads, at least from my experience. We've had, which is similar looking to this, so very plain and simple without any of those benefit statement, and it's spent I think 150K now, which is obviously amazing. So if you are on the prospecting level, so if you're looking for a new prospecting ad and you don't run those 3 reasons why benefits images, basically, I would highly suggest that you do so. Then the next one, which from my perspective is also more prospecting oriented, is this benefit statement type of image ads. I think this one, it's been running for 63 days, which is also a good amount of time when it comes to Facebook ads. And what I like about this one is that it's a little bit buggy in the preview, but what I really like about this one is that they display, that they show the different colors. So it immediately gets clear what options I have as a potential customer to choose. If I don't like this color, I have these options, which I think is fantastic. And then they have this understated and overly comfortable. So they again call it a specific persona, so a person who wants to be understated. Would this be something which I would buy? Probably not. But it calls it a specific persona with this benefit statement, and then let's open this in a new tab. And then it obviously, gives you the benefits, 4-way stretch, moisture wicking, recycled materials. So a little bit of sustainability in here. But the main approach is, understated and overly comfortable. So if you want comfortable shorts, which, don't, get you any attention, then that's probably for you. So I really like this ad. It's clear, simple. They have their benefits, which again, the colors, and they have a clear benefit statement. And what I think would also work really well for top of the funnel type of ad is this one. You probably can't understand it because it's in German, but it's basically, want to get rid of a leaky gut? ? So they ask a question. They don't even show the product. They don't even mention the product. They just have an ask, just a question. Like you have some video ads where you call out or try to call out a specific persona. Are you struggling with X? Currently experience XYZ, right? This is the same approach just as an image ad and make it look ugly, which in itself is good. It's good that it looks ugly. Let me actually go to Daily Rituals and see if there are any running similar ads to this one. So they're running a couple of these ads. It's all in German, so you probably don't understand it. So this is, don't take hyaluronic acid before you understood this, with instructions. Just a simple statement, and people click on it, and obviously it's been working for them because they're running tons of ads. Obviously it's not the only creative type in the funnel, but that's not what we're here for right now. So let me get back to the other ads. So yeah, we've discussed these. These are more like prospecting ads. You know, this one is more of an ugly looking ad, you know, which itself is a concept, you know, create ugly looking ads. I think works pretty well. And then we have the more of those polished prospecting ask ads, which have a benefit and which really make you interested in the product. And then, you know, before we go over these, I want to go for this one because I think this is a very interesting ad. I don't know which type of funnel I should kind of sort it in. Also, it's been running, you know, since March 6th, so definitely more than 37 days, and obviously it must be working for them. What I really like here is that they have different kinds of products, you know, for acne, and they basically tell you if you have this product, if you have this problem, you know, buy this product. If you have this, buy this. And they basically have different products for acne, and they give you different solutions based on yours. So this is more of a personalized approach in some ways, and I think it's a good middle of funnel at bottom of funnel. Whereas, you know, if you have acne, you know, here's the solution, problem solution, all stuff. So also a little bit of prospecting. I really like this because it shows different kinds of solution within one ad. So really, really great ad. Yeah, overall, can't say much, a little bit too much text maybe, but generally speaking, a great ad, which obviously shows that because it's been running for a couple of months already. Then the next two ads are more meant to be middle of funnel, bottom of funnel ads. They have a different approach. They appeal to a different type of target audience, which, you know, in most instances is already familiar with your brand. So the first one is this, you know, obviously they have a review at the top, then they have the product picture, you know, social proof and a guarantee. So they combine testimonial with social proof and with a guarantee. You know, if you're interested in that product, you're probably gonna get it to know. If you're interested in that product, you probably get it. Also, what they've done a phenomenal job is, you know, selecting a review which people actually want to see. Most of these reviews are just boring, you know. For most brands I see, I love this product, it has improved my life. You know, this is basically what most review ads are. But in this instance, they've selected a certain problem or maybe even a scare, and you know, it's a problem which people are afraid of, that their, you know, vagina doesn't smell good, but they've taken it and they've kind of overcome that objection. You know, they show that what the product does, and they have multiple of these ads which go after different kind of objections, different kind of problems people have, and they really show that product helps with that problem. For example, I see most of these review types ads is like, you're selling, you know, let's go back to acne, they're selling a solution to acne, and then it's like, this product has really helped me improve my skin. It's not specific enough for people to get people to click, but this is very specific, so I really, really love that approach. The next one is in Spanish, I don't even understand it, but obviously it's a press release ad. If you have any press releases, you know, whether it's in a small news article, a big news article, anything, any publication, you know, screenshot it and run it as an ad. They almost always work pretty well, especially for middle of funnel, bottom of funnel type of prospecting, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel approach. So I highly suggest they do that. And yeah, I really, really like that approach. I think it's fantastic. You know, you have basically, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different kind of creative concepts you can try with image ads. And yeah, if you're interested in hearing more about creatives, Facebook ads, leave a like and subscribe. I'm going to be putting out more videos every single week.